Get ready to crack open the truth about eggs. Pasture-raised eggs pack a punch. 29% more omega-3s than conventional eggs. When hens eat like nature intended, the nutrients show. Grass and bugs equals healthier eggs. Omega-3s, the superhero nutrient that boosts heart health, brain power, and more. The egg-posing truth. Conventional eggs can't compete with pasture-raised. Ditch the ordinary. Choose pasture-raised eggs for a healthier you and happier hens. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts.